my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you have been subscribed to my channel and a part of the Marina Odin family, then welcome back. As you guys can tell, we have a lovely Bottega green box behind me, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing of these lovely shoes that I've had my eyes on for a while now, and they have several styles and fabrics and colors for these beautiful shoes. I mean, wait till you guys see it. This is definitely a showstopper, and it's definitely like a 50s, 60s vibe. I mean, I fell in love with it. It's kind of one of those pieces that is definitely to make heads roll, and a questionable piece, if you should say. It's not a typical piece, and that's probably why I fell in love with it. And but the only worry with this is because it is not a typical piece and it's not really like a daily use piece. I mean, you can make it work, but because of the color, I'm a little bit worried. But as you guys know, I love doing this to myself, just testing myself out with new colors and putting some color in my wardrobe. I'm really trying and doing my best to do that. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, it's not the lightest piece, but it's also not the heaviest piece. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful, of course, Bottega green. Hint, hint, what color do you think these shoes are? And please let me know what, this doesn't have a barcode, so I can tell you guys the exact name for it. But give me a second, I'm going to find out the exact name for these babes. So these shoes are part of their campaign, and it's definitely a unique piece. And if you go on their website, they have two colors. One would actually, they have three colors. Oh, they come in black. I had no clue. No, actually, sorry, not in black. It's like a nice brown color. It's called ebony. But I mean, they're not as like showstoppers as these are. And then they come in like a glaze color, which is like a light blue, almost like an icy blue. And they come, well, I don't know if I should say the color. Let's just open it up first. But anyways, they're called the Wedge Mules. So if you know, you know. Let's open it. So they come with two dust bags for the shoes to protect them. I'll definitely need them because, like I said, these are these are special pairs, and they would definitely need all the protection possible. Beautiful Bottega wedges. I mean, look at that. You would think that this would be really hard to wear, right? It looks extreme, I know, but it is not hard to wear, and it's actually extremely comfortable, and you get that lift that you need, that heel look. It does, you know, totally flatter my feet. I did definitely have to go up the size, or did I get a good size? No, this one and this fabric, I actually got it in 38.5, which is usually what I would go for. But I do remember trying the leather. The leather is just a little bit tighter in this area, I think, and that's probably why. This does have leather inside, but this seemed a little bit softer and easier to wear, whereas the leather was just a little bit harder to, like, not harder to wear, but it wasn't as stretchy to put on. So I did try, I believe, an 8.5 and a 9. I don't remember which one fit me best. But then I ended up seeing this at Neiman Marcus, and I haven't seen these, you know, pairs really everywhere. So I believe this would be like an special release for Neiman Marcus themselves. And also getting sizes nowadays is, you know, extremely, extremely hard. So when I saw this and they had my size, I told the guy, you know what, can you please put it on hold? I need to walk around, think about it, because, you know, they're not inexpensive. They're pretty expensive pairs of mules. But I just couldn't walk away from it because of the, you know, the design on it. I mean, look at that. It's literally like braids of like this rubber material, And then over here in the front, you have like a nice loose knitting going on, and inside it's the beautiful green leather. It's really a work of art, but it also is something that resembles the 50s, definitely, and also going into 60s. And I just could not give it up because it was just so unique. I mean, look at that. Even in this area, it's so beautiful. And the bottom looks like this. It's amazing, and it was so comfortable, and I love that it's like wide, so you can wear it, you know, throughout the whole day if you want, and you would not feel uncomfortable. And on top of that, I also just kind of felt, let me take both pairs out. I also felt like, you know, you can wear this for, you know, beach parties, beach dinners, and you want something comfortable because you're by the beach. You don't want to wear those thin heels. These are like those beautiful, chunky, comfortable heels you can throw on with any, and when I say any type of dress, I mean any type of dress. Long dresses, mini skirts, short dresses, sets. I mean, they literally go with everything. And this is just like a classic shape and pair. I mean, at first I was kind of laughing at it. I was like, oh, these look like, you know, those like Bratz dolls shoes or like those Barbie doll shoes. And you know what? I mean, growing up, I actually loved those funky Barbie shoes and just those, you know, dolls that have like those cool shoes and different shapes. So I really thought, wow, this is the it pair. Now, although this is, you know, my ultimate favorite, I would say, color from Bottega, I've kind of always shied away from it because if you know the whole story behind my bag, even in the background right here, if you haven't seen, by the way, the unboxing, if you haven't seen the unboxing for this bag, please make sure to check out the unboxing for that. I actually have two. So they literally, the color, what is the name of this beautiful infamous Bottega color? Let's find out. So the name of this is Grass, and I had gotten the seagrass color bag, which I kind of shied away from because I just didn't feel like over time I would still like that. But I was debating if I should get these shoes in the full leather. Let me show you guys. In the seagrass. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Seagrass color, and it's like full leather, and that was the battle I was having, or if I should, you know, get it in a more practical color. And by the way, I will try these on for you guys and show how they are. I'm still questioning it because, again, like I said, the color, I'm just worried about that. And of course, I know these are not like one of those shoes that you just like put on and run around in, but I would definitely say that it is possible to wear it on chill days as well, where you just want to spice up your outfit and it's not uncomfortable. Like after, like I would definitely say, like especially after like quarantine and all of this going down, like I have been looking for heels that are comfortable, shoes that are comfortable, and when it comes down to summertime, I am all about shoes being comfortable and definitely not tight or excruciating. Not to say that I still don't have my super cute thin high heels, I do, but I mean, I think I'm in a phase where I'm kind of loving these super chunky, comfortable heels. Now, the other colors that they have is macaroon, which is like really close to like my pinkish skin tone, and I don't know if I'm feeling it. And then they also have a beautiful purple, like lilac color. It's called Periwinkle. That's an interesting one. It's like that. And they have, what color is that one? And they have like a mauve, exactly, mauve color. Don't know, like it's just kind of like in between color, not here, not there, and I don't like that. And then they have a really nice peachy one as well, which I felt like, where and how am I gonna wear peachy? So from the leather choices, I would definitely say it would probably be the seagrass. Now, if I were to have to choose between the seagrass color and the grass color, which is of course the iconic I mean, look at their boxes and everything. The iconic, which is coming off, washed off a little, green color. I'm gonna put it here. Maybe it will, like, literally, it's, if you can see in the background, I think you can see in the background here that it's the iconic color. And I mean, I can just literally just display them because they are just works of art. So I'm debating. They are a showstopper piece, but because of that, I don't know how much I'll be wearing them. Pricing and everything, I will try to link everything below. I know that these shoes are going very fast. They're super in right now. And to be honest, I'm in love, but I'm still thinking about it. So I don't know. My husband said keep it. And when he usually says keep it, then that's when I want to think about it. I don't know, it's weird, right? But anyways, let me go ahead and try these on for you guys and show you guys how these look. Let's do it. All right, let's take a look at these babies. I mean, get a glimpse of that, guys. How adorable. So as I was saying before, my candle literally just, by the way, went on fire. Okay, so as I was saying, look at that. It's so cute with this like mini dress even. It's just such a look. I don't even know what to say. It's phenomenal. Look at that. Wow. All right, my loves, I'm wrapping up this video. I hope you guys liked it on me. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Comment down below, give me the thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys soon with another, hopefully very soon, luxury haul. Mwah. Love you guys.